iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay. Mm. Wow, nice one.
Oh, tatlo ang mata. Ganyan ang cellphone ni Blair.
Later, put this for you lah.
No, you will put it. I don't know how.
Later, put this for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Chinese.
English. What is that? The SIM card?
SIM for testing.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yo, 突然間醒咗，做翻喎。呢 EW 打。
Wow, so quick. I love the color.
This is best color, people choice.
Wow.
So the cable here.
Yes, thank you.
Here. Yeah. The pin.
Okay.
You use now?
Later lang.
You have case setting.
Yes.
Power bank. Why you buy 2 power bank?
No, that's my friend.
Oh.
Yeah, she gave me money for that.
You always take video. So need a many power.
Yeah, I'm a blogger.
What one?
But not well known yet. Just a new blogger. So this warranty is for 3 years, right?
Yes, 3 years Hong Kong.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, if you can come back, we can help you. If you don't know how to do it for the warranty.
Why you don't have the 512 gigabyte? Is not available?
Because I said 15 is coming, so
why they
don't stop making. They start to make the new
one
for the prepare September launch.
How much is the Galaxy Z Flip 4?
Now, see, this is next month. There will new model.
Really?
So they don't have stock
so
anymore.
So this one is
even you have money, no more stock.
No more stock, yeah. That's why it's more expensive now.
And when the news coming, this one the price will drop down.
Oh.
Because they don't have time to make the new phone. Because normally August and September is Samsung and
iPhone come.
Yeah. New models come out. So in this month, January, not much people buy iPhone.
Oh.
They wait for speed. Okay, setup finish is already English.
Thank
the
you.
Protector already.
Thank you so much.
Again, I need to make a warranty again for you.
Oh, thank you.
And I need your money back again.
Okay.
Your money back.
Okay.